Okay, after 2 weeks of waiting, I got a new part instead of this broken part. Yes, it fits really good. I'm surprised how this part hold on 2 seasons and only this year it was broken. Here is comparison between 21 inches, which is on the bike, and stock 19 inches wheel, and as you can see, XL, it's much higher. I measure it, it's about 40 millimeters higher. That's why I also lift my rear end. Also, I removed this part from my XL kit. So as you can see, this is one more nice option which Surron XL kit has. So with stock wheels 19 inches, you use this position. If you want to lift your rear end, if you use smaller rear wheel like 16 inches or bigger front wheel like 21 inches, you just remove these parts lower to adjust your bike properly. Good. Next day of testing, I like the wheel. It works good on roads, on bumpy surface, but my handlebar was too high with this because I use 100 millimeters stem, so I changed it to 80 millimeters, make the handlebar 20 millimeters lower, and now feel a little bit better. And today I will test the bike, how it works on a sandy track. So we have this kind of surface today. This is sand. I don't know how my tires will work here. Won't check it because this Mitas has not so big and aggressive knobs, so I don't know will it work good here or not. Now we will check it. Not so bad. Let's try some flat turn. It's not really flat. Okay, we'll go to other side. It's slippery, but it's controllable, so I can control it. Anyway, we need to have some compromise. If you want super grippy tire, you should get 1+ kilo on your front wheel. I think I don't need it. So for summertime, for this condition, this Mitas E09 is a really good tire. I will use it. Oh, my friend learned really. Thank you for watching. Ask your question in the comment, subscribe to channel, and have a good ride.